So I'm constantly walking around a bunch of PVC board and wood scraps. They're in the way in an already too crowded garage, so why not use them to clear the clutter? I began making a box to hold my extra surf gear and surf bag. I had extra drawer sliders and a drawer, so I figured the loose small stuff can live in there. Using some black foam to pad the tails of these boards, the box was complete. After installing some wall-mounted surfboard racks from Amazon, I got to work adding 9 surfboards on top of the box. Somehow they fit, and so did all the gear. This was a successful half-day declutter build. Mahalo for watching.